Just got your shiny new Monzo card. Let's get it activated and ready for your first transaction in under 2 minutes. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Monzo app if you haven't already. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll likely see a notification at the top prompting you to activate your new card. Tap on that notification to get started. The app will now guide you to enter your card details. You'll need to input the 16-digit card number found on the front of your Monzo card, along with the expiry date and the 3-digit security code, also known as the CVV, from the back. For security, Monzo needs to verify your identity. This might involve taking a quick selfie or uploading a photo of your ID document. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. It's a simple process to ensure it's really you activating your card. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation that your Monzo card has been successfully activated. Congratulations! Your new card is now ready for both online shopping and contactless payments wherever you go. You can now head out and make your first purchase, whether it's buying a coffee, shopping online, or anywhere that accepts MasterCard. Enjoy using your new Monzo card.